UWEC. Recently, there have been issues surrounding the Diversity Resource Center. What is your vision for that space, and how do you think we should go about achieving it?
The Diversity Resource Center has something that's also, I guess, under the Student Life and Diversity Commission. We've been really working hard to make that space somewhere that people are really going to utilize for its intended purpose, which is to not only celebrate diversity, but educate about it. And I think right now what we are doing with that space is we're trying to make it just a little, to make it more, I guess, homey or comforting, make it somewhere where people want to spend their time, and so they will utilize those resources. We've been organizing them and making it so it's user-friendly. And I really think we're adding a lot to it by allowing organizations to get involved with the use of that room. We're allowing it to be a meeting space for those organizations. So we're going to allow them to sign up for it so they can have it at a certain time every week, and we can also having them involved with decorating the room and having a little displays in the room, which I think is really important, so they have a part in the room. And we're also going to have a grand...
Thank you. 1 minute.
Right. Well, I'd like to say that I agree with a lot of those ideas. I think Emily's done a great job this year working on the Diversity Resource Center, and I think that some of the issues surrounding it come from a lack of knowledge. The students don't know what we're trying to do, and so they're concerned, and that's their right to be concerned, and it's our fault that we haven't made them informed, and so that's something that I would like us to strive to do. I think Tim and I would strive to make sure that those students are informed so that they don't feel targeted and they don't feel like they are losing a part of their diversity. I think that's really an important factor here, and I think we could have avoided a lot of those issues if they would have been more involved in the process and more informed on what was actually happening. So I think that now we've taken that step, and I think we've cleared up a lot of those issues, so that's great. And I would hope that we continue to do that in our session.
Would you like 30 seconds?
I guess I also agree that we do need people better informed about what's going on to avoid any sort of problems. But I also think that preserving the Diversity Resource Center is so important because it's a symbol on our campus, and what we really, I guess, wanted to strive for was to make sure that symbol meant something, that the symbol meant something to the students, and it was utilized by the students.
Thank you. Would you like 30 seconds? Okay. This concludes the question portion of our debate. We'll now